changes that you have observed in COVID-19 in the market?
COVID is something which has impacted the global economy, and I think India is no different. In fact, every segment in India got impacted, and PEB was not left. Uh, you know, is not is also affected because pre-engineered building, as you are aware, is an industry where both manufacturing and construction industry are joined into this. It is a segment where you have both, construction and manufacturing, because manufacturing involves fabrication at the plants, and construction is erecting those fabricated metal at site. So after this lockdown, there were a lot of challenges we have encountered because a lot of sites were stopped. We never thought that this would be so long. Maybe we could not estimate the impact of COVID at that time. So it impacted a lot of sites and a lot of because a lot of manpower who were at site had gone back to their homes, and because of the lockdown, even who were there could not work, and a lot of new norms coming in, safety norms, a lot of hygiene norms coming in. So definitely it had an impact. Of course, the extent of impact of this PEB sector and the market can only be assessed once the economy will fully get back to normalcy. And the impact of reforms measures announced by the Indian government to revive the economy, especially consumer confidence and consumption, need to be watched. Of course, some of the factors, global factors, also will play a role in increasing the demand. If you really see the PEB sector as a whole is definitely facing a lot of challenges after this COVID because of getting back people to sites and making again creating a new norms of working are definitely a challenge. But fortunately for us, we had we could quickly gain our confidence. We could get back people as soon as the lockdown was lifted. We got back people, and most of the sites are working because we need to meet our customer requirements, because customers were really concerned because the project timelines are getting impacted. So we are now getting into the new norms, and most of the sites are operational as of today. And if you really see in this segment, a lot of industry, a lot of customers have even stopped going forward because the future was little not very certain, and some projects have got delayed. But if you really see today, post-COVID, we can see there is a positive growth in e-commerce segment, in warehousing, food processing, pharma. These are the segments which are growing. So, and we feel in the next 3 to 5 years, we remain very positive, and the growth is going to come back to the Indian economy, and the present situation is only a temporary situation. So we are very confident on that.
Great. Any special steps or any special things that you might have done to serve your customers better during COVID-19 period?
Yeah, with the new normal going to be the way forward, there are likely to be many changes in the way we eat, we live, we work, we travel, we interact with customers, both within the company and even outside. In fact, most of our meetings earlier, we used to have a lot of regular meetings. We used to visit. Now it is all happening virtually. In fact, this meeting is also a virtual meeting. So a lot of communication has changed, and of course, we are now improving our regular interaction with all our customers, whether it is and being more transparent, trying to give them what is the status, how things are moving, what are we doing, how are we going to achieve the timelines, what are the efforts being put, so, and how are we going to take care of the safety standards to ensure COVID is not impacted. And lot of new health checkups done at sites. In fact, a lot of new health checkups have started even in the plants. So, and apart from that, we are doing a periodic monitoring, sanitization of vehicles, sanitization of workplaces. So even though duration of the pandemic is uncertain, all the challenges around our customers are being managed with rapid stabilization and customer growth in the future. And of course, in an experience like COVID-19 has exposed the extremes in socio-economic and environmental conditions, and it impacted the consumer segments also, as everyone has been pulled into a new era of digital world. Of course, we are rapidly coming back to normal, and I think most of our customers, we could give the confidence to the customers to meet the timelines, and we are taking this as an opportunity, and we are evolving our strategies and extracting value from existing portfolio in order to spur innovations and provide more value to our customers. In addition to moving to digital first, we are getting into digital only customer journeys, so that we are also now trying to embrace emerging technologies. We are exploring augmented realities to extend the brand and drive effective the virtualized service with a last mile innovations. So these are all some activities we are doing. In fact, while COVID has thrown a lot of challenges, we are also looking that as an opportunity to evolve and improve our deliverables to our customers.
Thank you so much for sharing so much of information and
Thank you.
sparing your time today. Really appreciate it. Until we meet next with another warehousing expert at Warehousing Live, meet the leaders. Thank you, everyone.